I'm George Sakellaris. I'm member of the board of the Czech Bioeconomy Hub, which is a part of networks of hubs within the BioEAST platform. Just to say two words, what is the BioEAST platform? Is a network of countries dedicated to bioeconomy, and the real partners in this network is the ministries. The hubs, they have been created in order to facilitate things because they are more flexible than ministries. They involve a wide spectrum of stakeholders from all categories, and they have a national priority, but also in the wider perspective of the bioeconomy development within the BioEAST region. So the Czech hub has been created in the year 2022. And it is very active. It was the first hub to be created among these 11. And it involves the wide spectrum of stakeholders, and it is involved in a number of European projects and also plays a role in consulting with public administration and different key players in the Czech Republic. In order to have a real effective role in the happenings of bioeconomy in the country, we have to involve as wide as possible, not in the sense of different stakeholder groups, but different sectors where bioeconomy is touching, and especially those sectors which are priority for the Czech economy and for the Czech policy. So the first thing was to involve stakeholders from the specific sectors. Second thing is the education part. Education is the basic rule in order to make things happen in a way that end users will understand what bioeconomy is. Practitioners, they will have to deal with the new things, and it will be a new generation of experts which will be involved. And the third thing is the private funding. So far, not only in the BioEAST region, but in Europe, the private funding is limited compared to the public funding. We have to increase that balance, especially in the region where the private funding is really weak compared to the rest of Europe. So these three priorities should be the main priorities for the hub.